my A-Class Invites going to the showroom.
Hello, I'm Elena and welcome to my E-Class Invites. As promised, here's a short vlog I made during our trip to IKEA here in the Philippines last month. IKEA is a Scandinavian chain selling ready-to-assemble furniture plus housewares in a warehouse-like space. Last year, they opened their branch here in Pasay City, Philippines, which was considered as the largest in the world. I have always known this brand during my college years when I started watching home makeovers on TV and here on YouTube. So when I learned they will bring IKEA here in the Philippines, I was so happy. Visiting IKEA for the first time was very exciting. For me, it feels like going to Toy Kingdom or Toys R Us. Join me as we take a look at what's inside this awesome store. What I love here in IKEA is they have showrooms where you can physically try their furniture and other products. They also give you ideas on how you can design your space at home or in the office. There are items that are pricey, but most of them are quite reasonable. Although there were some items here that were out of stock during our visit. Still, there are so many pieces here that I like. My eyes were very satisfied from window shopping, and I can spend all day here just roaming around each floor. What are the pieces you like to see in IKEA for yourself? Reply in the comments below. I really encourage you to personally visit IKEA here in Pasay City. They are open daily from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. if the alert level is below 3. It's beside SM Mall of Asia and very easy to find. We'll definitely come back here again and buy some of the items we love if the budget permits. Of course, this visit will not be complete if we won't try the very popular meatballs. Roaming around the showrooms and floors without buying really made us hungry. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and share this with others. Also, it will be nice if you are subscribed. Till my next vlog, stay safe.